What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have a video update on this crypto called Vulcan Forged, also known as PYR, which has done 100% increase in the last 24 hours, which is quite questionable. A sudden pump here earlier this afternoon around 3 p.m. It pumped up from about 56 cents all the way up to over $1.44, took a dip, and right now trading at 110. So we'll be looking at what is this crypto all about. Is it a buy, is it a sell, or is it simply a void? So essentially looking at its prediction over the coming days, coming weeks, and going into late 2025 and early 2026. Again, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So first thing we can see is a huge green candle. It's trading way over the red line here. Again, the red line is an amount where that is the maximum level the crypto should be trading at, which is at 89 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a way higher value here at $1.13, which means the crypto is overvalued, way overvalued guys. And another indicator we have at the bottom of the RSI, one is at 33 and one is at 75, literally complete opposite ends of the chart. So the one that's more accurate is obviously the purple one, which is at 75, indicating the crypto again is overvalued, and it is very likely to go for a price correction towards the very end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, potentially going into early next week as well. We should see more red candles. Does not mean it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to head a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the coming hours, potentially up to about 140, 145, before slowly starting to drop back down below the dollar mark, getting closer to around the 75 cents in value. Is where I'm predicting PYR to be trading at in the early days of next week to mid next week. So again, this is not a crypto that I will be investing into at the moment. However, I can see a lot of people are trading the crypto as the volume is up over 1,300% at $165 million, guys. So those of you guys who are investing, make sure you have your risk management on point, because again, as I mentioned, it is likely to go for a price correction. To find out more, let's go through the hourly chart here. It's already started to dip and hit red candles, and it is likely to drop further down, guys, than where it is at the moment. Yes, it is likely to hit green candles in between as well, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. And if we do bring out the MACD indicator here at the bottom, it is looking quite bullish. However, it's slowly starting to stabilize, heading towards a straight line, and then it should head downwards. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, again looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking very steep, guys. So this steep line here is not as realistic as it seems. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that took place earlier on today. So that is essentially telling us that it is going to fly, is going to break out, and that is not the case at all. Over the coming weeks, going towards the end of November, early December, it should be back to where it was trading at previously, around 55 to 60 cents. So in between those price range is where I'm predicting PYR to be trading at going into late November, early December, unless of course there are any major news partnerships going on. Then yes, we could see a potential increase. But as it stands, I am predicting a drop in value over the coming weeks and going into December and early 2026 as well. A lot of people have been saying it is likely to head up to $7, $8, even $10 by the end of the year, which I highly disagree with. For it to hit $10, it will require a crazy percentage increase, which at the moment I'm not predicting, and it wouldn't make sense for this crypto to hit $10 or even about $3, $4, guys. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, over the week it is up 81%, over the month it is up 14%. We can see that since the drop that took place on the 10th of October, the crypto has been doing nothing but dropping in value all the way up until right now, where it has gone through a sudden pump. Heading back into this chart here, or even Binance, sorry, we can see it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely crazy because it's, and if we look at what PYR is, which I was meant to do at the start of the video. So Vulcan Forge is a blockchain game studio and NFT marketplace. They are the makers of Vulcanverse. So again, that is what the crypto is all about. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but yeah, let me know your end of year prediction for Vulcan Forge. Are you guys investing into it? Are you guys selling it, or are you guys keeping away from it like myself? Comment down below. But I'm pretty sure some of you guys watching it have already invested into it, as it was pumping, and again clearly the trading volume has gone up crazy numbers as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. That is the end of the video. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.